Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make curry laksa. To begin, soak the laksa noodles in warm water for about 15 minutes or until soft. Then drain the noodles and set aside. Next, prepare the spice mix. Heat the oil in a large pot over medium heat. Then add the coconut milk and bring the mixture to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 15 minutes. Stirring occasionally until the potatoes and carrots are fully cooked through. Add the shallots and garlic and fry until fragrant. Then add the spice mix and continue frying until the spices are nice and toasty. Be careful not to burn the spices or else your curry will be bitter. In a small bowl, combine the ground coriander, turmeric, cumin, fennel, black pepper, chili powder, paprika, salt, and sugar. Mix well and set aside. Ladle the curry into bowls and top with the blanched bean sprouts and chopped green onion. If you like, you can also add some fried garlic or fried shallots for added flavor and texture. In a small bowl, combine the ground coriander, cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. Our curry laksa is ready to be enjoyed. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat the oil over medium heat. Add the coconut milk and bring it to a simmer. Then add the prepared laksa paste and fry it on low heat for about 15 minutes, stirring constantly. After 30 minutes, check the seasoning and adjust it to your liking. We will be using a portion of this curry for our recipe today. If you want to use the entire batch, you can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. You can add salt, sugar, pepper, or lime juice to balance the flavors. Now let's prepare the garnishes. Blanch the bean sprouts in boiling water for 1 minute, then drain them and set them aside. Chop the green onion and cilantro and set them aside for garnish. This will help to release the flavors of the spices and prevent them from burning. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Then top with the curry and garnish with the blanched bean sprouts, chopped green onion, and cilantro. If you like, you can also add fried garlic or fried shallots for added flavor and texture. I hope you like this recipe. Our delicious and nutritious curry laksa is ready to be enjoyed. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Add the coconut cream and mix well to form a smooth paste. You may need to use a mortar and pestle or a food processor to get the right consistency. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Then pour in the water and bring the mixture to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover and simmer for 30 minutes. Or until the chicken is fully cooked and the vegetables are tender. And thank you for watching. Add the chicken pieces and make sure they are coated well with the laksa paste. Continue frying the chicken on low heat until it is golden brown and partially cooked. This will add depth of flavor to your curry. Add the marinated chicken thighs to the pot and bring the mixture to a boil. Now let's learn how to make the laksa paste. This is an important step because the laksa paste will give our curry its unique flavor and spiciness. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 20 minutes. Or until the chicken is cooked through and the sauce has thickened slightly. Add the chicken thighs and coat them well with the spice mix. Set aside for 15 minutes to marinate. Now let's make the curry. Next, add the potatoes and carrots and fry for a few minutes until the potatoes are slightly softened. Add the laksa noodles to the pot and cook them according to the package instructions. Usually, this only takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Stir the noodles occasionally to prevent them from sticking together. Add a little more salt, sugar, or pepper to balance the flavors. The bean sprouts are already cooked, so we just need to blanch them in boiling water for 1 minute. Then, drain the bean sprouts and set them aside. Chop the green onion and set aside for garnish. While the curry is simmering, prepare the chicken. After the potatoes and carrots are fully cooked, it's time to add the chicken. If the sauce is too thick, you can add a little bit of water to thin it out. Taste the curry and adjust the seasoning if needed. While the chicken is simmering, prepare the bean sprouts and green onion. Once the chicken is fully cooked, it's time to add the noodles. Once the noodles are cooked, it's time to serve. And that's it. Now, back to our recipe. In a small bowl, combine the ground shrimp, garlic, shallots, ginger, lemongrass, kaffir, lime leaves, galangal, candlenut, turmeric, chilies, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, black pepper, and salt. Once you have a smooth paste, set it aside for later use. Now, let's prepare the curry broth. Once the laksa paste is well incorporated into the coconut milk, it's time to add the chicken. After the chicken is partially cooked, add the potatoes and carrots and fry them on low heat for about 5 minutes. While the curry is simmering, do you want to forget to stir it occasionally to prevent the vegetables from sticking to the bottom of the pot? And that's it. Our curry laksa is now ready to be served. When you're ready to serve, reheat the curry on low heat, then ladle it into bowls and enjoy. Now it's time to assemble the curry laksa. Add the cooked laksa noodles to each bowl. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.